Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online tricks and tutorials. So today, without wasting time, let's go into my video today, which is about a BitBrowser. It's an anti-detect browser which can be used, which helps in multi-accounts management, and it's used in various ways of affiliate marketing, e-commerce, dating sites, social media marketing, retail price comparison, brand protection, self-verification, and so many other use cases. It's a very good anti-detect browser which I have used and decided to review it today for my viewers. Remember, it's the most cheapest anti-detect browser I've ever seen, because apart from offering 10 free browsers, their minimum package is around $7, which offers 50 browser profiles, and they have another $10 per month, which offer 100 profiles, $17 per month, which offer 200 profiles, and the bigger discounts. And if you want more packages, you can contact their support, and they're going to give you a very good offer. But you can see that their 200 browser profiles is only for $17, and their minimum for $7 per month gives you 50 browser profiles, which is pretty awesome. And if you don't have enough money for buying the profiles, they have a free package which gives 10 browser profiles and which allows a minimum of 1 user. The others users vary depending with the package price. So without wasting time, just click register for an account. You put your username, password, confirm password, and they require registering using your country mobile number. Put your country code, your number there, get SMS, put it here, and you're verified. Also, you can put email, which is optional. You can put invitation code to get a bonus when you're buying. I will put my invitation link under the video description. You can use it to get a bonus. So if you're ready, and also remember, before clicking register, click I have read and agreed to user services agreement. Since I already have an account, I'm going to click already have an account. Let me log in directly. I already have an account. So this is the page. They have a promotion of referral commission, so 20% for user consumption. So remember, you can share the site to your members. So on a dashboard, they show you the various features, group control features, proxy IP sites, and so many other features. And you can see your user account, username, your primary account, and the balance of your browsers, or the balance of your loaded cache. Then under the package, you can see the browser profiles here. You see, I have the free profile of 10 browsers, 1 user, and browser profiles, user count, group. I don't have a group for now, but I can create up to 10 groups. Then under balance, you can recharge from this spot or from this cost center here. So let me show you. Instead of going to the cost, you can recharge here. If I click recharge, it's going to bring you to this page of cost center. So let's click recharge first. So the recharge, you see, it has come to the cost center. So just click on the recharge and just put in the amount. The site is based in China, so the main currency is yen. So just put the amount equivalent to the dollars you want. You can recharge using WeChat Pay, Alipay, PayPal, TRC20 USDT, and so many other options. So as long as it has cryptocurrency, TRC20 and PayPal, it's a very good site too. It's very easy to load cash on this particular site. After you load cash, you just buy the browser profile that you want. So that was under the dashboard, under the recharge. So now let's go to browser profiles. If you want to create a browser profile, just click the add sign here. You come to this page. Let's use this OnlineEarnHunter test. OnlineEarnHunter test profile. So group name, let's say survey hunters, like that. Platform, remember, you can create a browser profile for a particular account like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And another trick I want to give you guys, you can create a browser profile connected to a particular location for your USA PayPal, such that on that particular USA PayPal, whenever you log in using that particular browser, you never be banned and you never be asked to do identity verification, because you'll be using the same browser with the cookies and all the sort of stuff. You can even open purposely browser for Gmail. But for now, since you want to use it for other stuff, just click other platforms. You can even enable verify by username and password, such that any person who clicks on your profile, they have to put their username and password for them to join. So if you enable verify by username and password, you're supposed to put your username here and password. But for now, you don't need it. You can even import cookies, put them here. You can also put a site URL, like a survey junkie site, a login page, such that if you open that site, if you open this profile, it will open directly to that particular site directly, but you don't require that. Also, they have a proxy, and a proxy you have extract by API, proxy management, but our main interest is the custom one. Lookup channel, let it be API, leave the setup like that. Proxy type, put SOX5, then put your proxy there like that, then put your port. Mine does not. If yours has a username and password, put it here like that. This one is for proxies which work with a URL. This feature not supports proxies with the URL refresh function. Us doesn't have, so we don't require it. And a workbench, leave this setup the way it is. Scroll down, leave everything the way the way it is on default. But on this page, if you're working on multiple survey rings or survey sites, you can enable this one: clear cache before launch, clear cookies, clear history before launch, and random fingerprint. This means that if you open a particular profile, it's going to clear the cache, the cookies, and the history, and it's going to change to another fingerprint automatically once you click open. So this is a very, very cool feature for people who use multiple survey sites. For most people who use survey sites with the different IPs, every time you change an IP, you should clear cache, cookies, and the history, and change the fingerprint. So this one is a very, very cool feature for that. You can enable it like that, so you don't have to do it manually on there under the settings of your browser, whereby you click clear data. So this one can do for you automatically when you click the open button. And here they support various fingerprints. It's commented, they say you should use the highest kernel version as possible. They have various user agents. They support a laptop PC user agent. They have an Android user agent, and they have a Mac OS user agent. So just select the one you want, whether you want the Android, whether you want the iOS version. As you want to use the Windows, you can even select the version, Windows 11 there. You can say you want Windows 11. The browser profile you want, can select any browser you want. Also, you can change user agent manually here, you see, of their browser profile. Also, time zone, let it be like that. Web RTC, let it be like this. They will replace your public IP by the proxy IP. Your public IP will be replaced by the proxy IP, and the local IP will be masked. All the other setups are your location you can leave it allow, since it will going to get the info of your proxy IP, or you can just click ask, whichever way you want. You can enable do not track feature. All the other features, let them be the same. You can enable do not track feature here. So many. You can even change your device name, you see, so that does not appear you are using the same device. You can enable port scan protection, enable to prevent website from scanning your local service port. Yeah. And also you can change the RAM, cause you can change the device memory randomly the way you want. But if you don't have time to do all the setups which I showed you, you can just click here, random fingerprint. if you notice, when I'm clicking random fingerprint, it changes the device hardware, device memory, device name, MAC address, and so many everything else. So you can just click random fingerprint if you don't have time to change all those features, like that. Once you set up the proxy, the user agent, and the fingerprints and everything, just click confirm. Click confirm, and now you see your browser is ready. If you want to delete the profile, you can click here to open the profile directly, or you can click directly open here. You can use this one for closing the profile, for closing all browsers, reopen browsers, and so many other features here. So remember, here you have to download the software. For BitBrowser to work, you have to download the software, download according to your device specs. So here, if you want to click open, it will prompt you to install the desktop clients. Since I've already have it, so for example, if you don't have it, just click download. It will prompt you to download. It will prompt to download here to show you how to download. You see, downloading. Since I already have it, let me pause it here. I already have it on my desktop. So, it's logged me out. So we are under browser profiles here. So now I've already downloaded the software. Let's go to here. This is my software. See, I want to show you that it's the one. You see, this is the one. So just click login. And the best thing about BitBrowser, if you set up your browsers on the BitBrowser website, it's going to appear the same on your software. You see, now this is the software here. You can see everything here. So just click open. Click open. It's going to open the particular browser you have created. So you see now, and it's labeled here 1 or 2. So these are the things I have put earlier. Don't worry, I'll show you the reason why. I'll show you the reason why these are appearing. So let's check whether our browser is strong enough on pixel scan. You see, so you can see that the BitBrowser profile has no inconsistencies, and it's very, very consistent with everything. So it means that there is no info which is leaking. Let's check now the Who.net. We see whether our anonymity is 100%. So whenever you do your online work on Antidetect browsers, make sure you use pixel scan to check the consistency of your browser, and also use Who.net, check your online anonymity status. It should always be 100% like this one. So this one is a very, very we are now anonymous online. You can work on any particular survey site or any CPA marketing or dating sites without being detected. So from here, you can see that BitBrowser is very, very effective. Let's now go back to the browser. Remember, we are now at browser profiles. Also under browser profile here, under more, you can be able to clone a particular profile. For example, if you want to clone this number 2 here, just click on it, click clone. You can change the name to clone 1, clone, or say number 2. Just click this one, all the setups, and it's going to appear here. You see, and there are so many other cool features here. Go through them, and you're going to enjoy You can even export profiles, export cookies, and so many other features for the BitBrowser. So that's all about creating BitBrowser profile and adding proxy on it. Then they have so many features here. This for managing your workflow if you have another team members. This one for groups work. Then they have proxy IPs. This is where they recommend various proxy sites. You can come through. You can go through the listed proxy sites here and check which one is better for you. Then another cool feature I wanted to show you guys is the extension part. They offer the most commonly used extensions on browsers. You see, I've enabled I had used the translator on another work I was doing, and you can even enable proxy extensions on your browsers. If you click on any browser here, if I click on MetaMask here, it will be added on all my browsers automatically. So go through the extension center, whether you want for tools for any work you want, if you want tools for translation, marketing, or they have all common and famous type of extensions here. Just click enable and it will be added for you directly on your browser. So you don't have to struggle adding manually on your browser. So extensions here, if you're doing a survey on German site, you can just come here under translations and pick the best translator for you so that it will translate the survey directly from German to English, French to English, or Spanish to English. So this is a very, very cool feature for me. Then they have users. If you have users on your account, they are going to appear here. For example, mine support only one user. You see, and the one I'm here. So if it has like if I get the $7 package, you can have like 2 users. So I'll be seeing another. I can share my account with another person, and I can be able to control to switch off that account or delete it. And then remember they have a referral commission, and you can be able to participate on it. So guys, that's all I wanted to show you about BitBrowser. Grasped all the important aspects I wanted to show you about BitBrowsers and the various benefits it has. Remember, it's a very easy to use Antidetect browsers with so many vast use cases, and it can be going to be of help to those people who do multiple accounts on various sites and those people who work on survey sites like myself. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.